Hi friends, how are you? I came back with a new video. مرحبا, كيف الحال? I hope you are fine. So let's start with our new topic. If you have seen my previous video, it was about what to say in the restaurant, which was المطعم. So now we'll go to another place, which is المطار. المطار means the airport. So what do you speak in the airport? What are the vocabulary that we need when we go to the airport? And small conversation between you and the officer. So let's get started. So our first vocabulary will be the airport, which is المطار. المطار. Repeat after me, please. Yeah, المطار means the airport. Now when we go to the airport, we need tickets, right? So the ticket is تذكرة. التذكرة with the, تذكرة without the. تذكرة. تذكرة. Ticket. So let's say you want to say I lost my ticket, which is something like horrible. So I would say فقدت, which is I lost, تذكرتي, my ticket. We add ya when we are saying my. We add ya when we are saying my ticket. تذكرتي. So the whole sentence will be فقدت تذكرتي. I lost my ticket. Don't forget to write these words aside. Write فقدت in a paper which is only for verbs. And write also تذكرتي in a paper which is only for nouns. And then you will construct your own sentences, as I told you, which will make you learning very fast. Okay, so then we need to say what is the suitcase. The suitcase is حقيبة السفر. حقيبة alone is bag, so it's the bags. And traveling is السفر. So because the suitcase is for traveling, so we say حقيبة السفر. What is it? Let's repeat it again and again because it has ح and it has قاف. So it's something so tricky. حقيبة السفر. And stress on scene. حقيبة السفر. السفر alone is travel as a noun. Traveling, you can say also. حقيبة السفر. So now we have المطار. What was the meaning? Perfect. Airport. Then we have my ticket. What was the meaning? تذكرتي. And then I have I lost. فقدت. Yeah. And then we have the suitcase. حقيبة السفر. Those are our first four words for vocabulary. And one sentence which is, what was the sentence? I lost my ticket. فقدت تذكرتي. Perfect. Now we go forward, we'll say like where's the bag claim or baggage claim. It will be استلام الحقائب. So if you want to say where do I claim my package, you need to say أين. أين is where. Claim is استلم. أين استلم. الحقائب is the package. أين استلم الحقائب. أين? You must put it in the paper of the question tools, which is where. أين استلم الحقائب. Okay, now let's say what is the passport. The passport in Arabic is جواز السفر. جواز السفر. جواز السفر. Which literally means, جواز, it means like a permission. So the ID which allows you or give you the permission to travel if you want the meaning literally. But it's the passport as a translation. جواز السفر. جواز السفر. Now you want to show the employee that you have your passport. So what will you say? Do you remember this? It was هذا. And the passport is جواز سفر. I want to say my passport. This is my passport. So هذا جواز سفري. This is my passport. The employee is الموظف. الموظف. الموظف is the employee. So let's say you have a conversation with the employee, which is الموظف, and you are saying hello, which is مرحبا. كيف الحال? He will reply you know, right? بخير. تفضل means here you go, like say what you want. تفضل. You will say فقدت تذكرتي. فقدت تذكرتي. He will tell you like you can download it online or anything. He will reply you. Then what will you say? هذا جواز سفري. This is my passport. هذا جواز سفري. He will check it and he will give you and he will say again تفضل. So you will ask him, where's the package claim? You will say أين أستلم حقائبي. We already said that. أين أستلم حقائبي. So he would say there is هناك. هناك. هناك is there and here is هنا. هنا. In this way, you have made a small or short conversation with the employee in Arabic. I hope you like every time to stop the video and repeat again and just like don't just see it in one shot, because it will be better for you to stop every 2 or 3 sentences, repeat alone and practice, write, because writing also is not that easy in Arabic, you know, drawing and all. So you'll be professional very soon if you follow these tips. Thank you so much for watching. شكرا جزيلا. See you soon in another video. Bye bye. مع السلامة.
Emtees Academy.